Shilpi Raheja teaches maths for my kids. My kids really enjoy having her as a teacher because the way she teaches the topic is very clear and understanding for them. And also she's a very flexible teacher when we really needed to change the timings in case of any emergencies. And also she's always assigned my kids with the homework and make sure they have done their homeworks when she sees them next time. We came to know Shilpi through my tutorial academy, and she is very good in teaching, especially the max what they are learning now. And also the Tutor Academy is a good institute. They provide good teachers, and very efficient teachers, I mean. And happy to recommend to Shilpi and my Tutor Academy to any of my friends and family. Thank you.